Hey Project Fam, I got good news and bad news. So the good news is I'm bringing you another cool video. It's a collab. I got a special guest. I'll tell you who it is in 30 seconds. The bad news is, man, I bought some little microphones trying to give you better quality audio and it crapped out. But even with the bad quality audio, yo, the content is fire.
Hey Project fans, super update. I got a special guest. Someone came to the crib to check out my project. The one and only.
What's up?
Who is that?
Boogeyman, FPV.
FPV in the house. So what is he doing? Well, he came over to check out my progress on the project. And by the looks of things, I don't think he's too impressed.
Didn't say that.
So this isn't the first time he's seen this project.
Yes.
He probably saw it about 4 weeks ago. But based on the amount of progress, I don't think I made too much progress.
Well, you watched it. That's good.
Yeah. So yeah, let's take a quick look. What I did was, it's washed. I got it in the garage. I got it up on stands, and we're just kind of taking inventory. I think this is the first time he's really taking a good look at it, looking at the damage.
Yeah. Well, I'm just appreciating the rest of the car. I got looking at what you have to do here. I guess the one thing that kind of popped out for me, right, is like the differences between what you got and mine.
Okay.
So, I mean, for everybody else that doesn't know, I've got an 09 C4. And so, like, one difference we found right away is he gets a spare tire. I don't.
Spare? Well, okay. So the car gets a spare tire, but the spare tire did not come with the salvage. And the cool thing about the spare tire, amongst all this junk, is that right here, spare tire goes on top, bolts down, perfect.
Yeah.
So all I had to do was find a spare tire. So when I went to get my doors, right, and my side mirrors, I got my doors, I got my black side mirrors. I'm kind of feeling this color. I don't know.
You went for full-on doors. Okay, I thought you were just getting like bits and bobs, like the interior panels. But
so the problem was the stripping on top of this door right here.
Yeah.
Just this rubber stripping alone cost $75.
Yeah, sounds about right.
And then there's a weather stripping that goes around the entire door that snaps in. I just stopped pricing things because I got this whole door for $100.
Oh wow.
So I got the door.
Okay.
On the other side of the door, I got the window motor.
Oh, man.
I got I got the wiring harness. So if I wanted to like take this apart and just sell it, I can.
Right. So it kind of makes sense. Just get everything that you can. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But also, when I went to Brooklyn, check this out.
That's the Okay.
Check it out. Take it out for me. Let's see what it looks like. Because I don't even know if it's a real tire. I haven't taken it out. It just looked pretty.
It looks pretty, but it feels like it's solid. Like it doesn't take air. But I know that can't be right?
It might be a wagon wheel somebody sold me. It looked right.
A motorcycle tire. Jeez.
Okay. All right. I know who's not putting that back on. Yeah, it's probably going to stay out the cover for a while, but
there we go.
Cover's nice and tight. According to the gen who sold it to me, he never used it.
Oh, it takes air.
And it takes air.
Wow.
How does it look? Does it look worn?
No, man, it doesn't. Not at all.
Okay.
That color tells me that it hasn't been driven on.
Nice. There we go.
But it's holding. Came with air in it.
I haven't touched that tire since I brought it from Brooklyn.
So it's holding air.
Let's see how it fits inside the car. Let's see what that looks like.
I can't believe they make spares for these cars.
They make a spare. Let's see. You want to take some of that out, or you think, well, I got these picks?
No, so it goes in and slides down. Okay.
Yeah. Let me grab the sharp stuff out. Yeah.
Was that tools?
They came with tools.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go.
Or does it go the other way?
Dong.
Oh, ooh. I don't know how, because you know what? And that was my question. If it had air, because I can't see a way to wedge this down and in. You can try, but I'm hitting here, and this has got enough air that I don't want to push past and destroy there.
That looks like a problem to me. And the last thing I want to do is, I guess I can deflate it and then keep a portable air tank, but it's actually a Continental.
Okay.
Very nice.
So that's another difference. I don't know if you have one. I have a portable, instead of a spare, I've got a little portable air tank.
Right.
and a can of slime or tire sealant.
Right.
Porsche approved, I guess, whatever. But the idea is that you're patching and fixing to keep going instead of swapping out tires.
Right.
So I think that's the difference they made. Plus, I guess the 5 pounds I save in weight makes me go that much faster.
In all of my German cars, they all take run flats. So I don't have any spare tires. So I was just ecstatic to have a car with a spare tire.
Yeah, I don't know how.
He's going to give it another try. I think he's almost. Let me see.
I don't want to force.
Well,
it.
what's behind there?
This is
Is there anything?
No, but I don't want to be the one to
You don't want to break anything like I did? All right, the first thing, let me see which one.
And then once you get it down, how we get it back out?
It's not coming out.
Right.
It's not coming out. Once we get it down there, it's going to stay in there.
It literally just has to clear here. But I mean, in theory, right, it's supposed to go under and lock down, right?
All right, so I might need some help on that.
So I guess the other question too. So this goes where? On top of here?
Yeah, I would say it goes right. Yeah, and then it screws down.
Okay, like that.
Maybe if I read the instructions, they'll give me better instructions.
Yeah, because I'm just wondering if this is the top or if that's the top when it goes in.
Yeah.
Probably the right way. But it's still cool that you got the spare though. I don't know what your spec is, but my pressure's 44 rears, summer or winter, and then in the front's 37.
I'll
PSI.
tell you what's interesting is on the actual owner's manual that came with the car, someone hand wrote pressures on the back of the manual. So maybe someone found like the sweet spot for tire pressure, and it's above 36.
That sounds like Porsche people.
Yeah. So
written pressure.
but everything turns into a project and a semi problem. So
you have a pump nearby?
I have a ton of pumps.
Yeah. So if we deflate it, we'll be able to answer the question.
Yeah, absolutely. As a matter of, do I have a pump? I have a compressor right there. First of all,
I mean a portable.
I have a portable almost in every. Actually, I gave it away.
So you're gonna need a portable for this one.
I will. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So
that's cool.
All right. So let's. For now, we'll leave it there, and I'll put it back in the cover later. Okay. But let me tell you about some of the challenges I'm having. Well, what you got there?
I'm just looking at what's this. Do you have the headlight wipers or washer fluid? I can't tell if that's what that was. No, it seems to be open. So, okay, it's not connected to anything. Okay.
Actually, where's the headlights? Let's pull up a headlight and see what that looks like. So grab one of those headlights underneath. Yep. So there would be a washer. Which one is that? That's, yep.
Yep.
So there would be.
So mine, the washer is like right around here.
Right.
And then squirts onto the headlight.
I don't see.
It doesn't look like you have one.
Yeah, I don't see any place for a washer.
Man, look at this thing.
Yep.
Okay.
But yeah, they're pretty trashed.
And are you thinking about the vanity cover to kind of give it the classic look?
I am not.
Keep the fried egg.
I am not thinking about the traditional headlight. I'm actually going with a black headlight with I think it's a 991 inspired headlight.
Okay.
So all black
interior.
All black.
Those look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Black interior and kind of yeah. Wow, those are nice. Okay.
So that's the plan.
And I like the little halo effect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
No, that's nice.
So I've had sometimes a little bad luck with headlights in the mounting, getting through shipping. As a matter of fact, look, this is the headlight from the Beast. So I would order it and get it, and the tabs are broken. The mounting tabs are broken because of the ship. Oh my gosh, yeah. So I'm still gonna roll the dice.
Gotcha.
Hey, Project Fam. Hey, so sorry about the audio. It was just trash. It was only in one speaker. I don't know why. I tried the microphone, trying to give you guys better quality of audio. It didn't work. All right. Thanks again for Boogeyman FPV for coming through and checking out the project. I know you feel it's corny, but I'm going to say it again. Just like hip hop, that's a wrap.